One of the things I am so grateful for is that I'm a pediatrician, because as much as I know the patients benefit from me, but I think I've learned a lot about life from them. And this particular lesson, I'll call it trust as the foundation of any successful relationship. So here I am, young Kenyan lady who has just arrived in Montreal, McGill University, and I was on call. I'm on duty, and I've been asked to review this young girl. We'll call her Kirima. And she was coming from the Inuit community. Isn't that such a paradox? Kirima sounds like mlima in our Swahili language, isn't it? So anyway, I'm called to review Kirima, and because she had this surgical procedure and the site didn't heal well, and now people are wondering, was the problem surgical or was it rheumatological? And my experience from the time I arrived in Canada, people were so warm, so welcoming. Then I walk into the room to review this young girl, but she's so cold. So it was almost like a culture shock, because that was not what I had experienced. But anyway, I went ahead, I took the history, examined, and I discussed with my consultant, and we were able to make a diagnosis. But I was a bit disturbed because through and through she remained cold. And I asked my consultant, I've had such a pleasant experience, but I'm not sure why with this patient there was distance, And my consultant then gave me the history of the Inuits. And these were the original inhabitants of North America. And, when the colonizers came in, they were pushed up north to the very cold, marginalized areas. And so they've had an issue with trust for a long time. But I had the privilege to follow Kirima for 2 years. We became very good friends. She even gave me a goodbye gift and token. And really the lesson I learned from Kirima is that, for relationships to be successful, trust is the foundation and the pillar.